In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and delete all viruses on iPhone. While iPhones don't typically get traditional computer viruses, they can still be affected by shady apps, hidden configuration profiles, and malicious website data that triggers fake alerts. Follow along and we'll clean all of that up quickly and safely. First, remove any suspicious or unrecognized apps. Malware-like behavior on iPhone often starts with apps you didn't mean to install or that came from misleading ads. Open Settings, tap General. Then iPhone Storage. This view shows every app on your device, including ones you might not see on your home screen. Take your time and scan the list for names you don't recognize or apps you don't remember installing. When you find one, tap it, choose Delete App, and confirm. Make sure you use Delete App rather than Offload App so the app and its data are fully removed. If you are unsure about an app, it's better to leave it for now than delete something essential. Focus on the clearly unfamiliar ones first. Next, check for malicious configuration profiles. Profiles are meant for workplaces or schools, but bad actors sometimes use them to change settings or push unwanted apps. Go to Settings, tap General, then VPN and Device Management. If you see a section for configuration profiles, open it and look for anything you don't recognize. Tap the suspicious profile, select Remove Profile, and confirm. If you are asked for your passcode, enter it and continue. If there are no profiles listed, you are all set on this step. Now, clear out Safari history and website data. Many so-called virus pop-ups are just malicious scripts cached in your browser. In Settings, scroll down and tap Safari. Tap Clear History and Website Data. Then confirm. This will sign you out of websites and remove cookies, which helps stop bad scripts from reloading. For a deeper clean, scroll to the bottom of Safari Settings. Tap Advanced, then Website Data, and choose Remove All Website Data to wipe the remnants completely. Finally, install the latest security updates. Apple regularly patches vulnerabilities, so staying current is key. Go to Settings, tap General, then Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. While you are there, make sure Automatic Updates is turned on and ensure security responses and system files are enabled, so urgent fixes apply as soon as Apple releases them. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.